4 minus 6 gives us negative 2. And again, here we have 4 minus 6, which again gives us negative 2. And negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to 4, because negative times negative is positive and 2 times 2 is 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here. So according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parenthesis, right? Parenthesis is priority number 1, and the second thing to solve is exponent. Exponent is priority number 2, and the third thing to solve is multiplication or division. It is priority number 3, and finally we have to solve addition or subtraction, and it is priority number 4. So we have to follow this order in order to solve mathematical expression like this correctly, consistently every single time, right? So let's go back into our problem and see if we can solve this. So here we have subtraction, another subtraction, and multiplication in the middle. So we have to solve the multiplication before these two subtraction, because multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, right? So 6 times 4 gives us 24, and 4 minus 24 minus 6 is going to be the next equation, right? So 4 minus 24 gives us negative 20, and negative 20 minus 6 is equal to negative 26. So the final answer to this question is negative 26.